Sa ito, yung pink. This is the most popular. Hello, mga kananay! Second to the last day here in Houston, so we were able to grab some more of the mini insulated bags from Trader Joe's. So let me show you yung mga mini insulated bags na nabili namin sa Trader Joe's. First is itong orange. This one, I'll show you. Orange. And meron ding green. This is the green one. Perfect na baonan kasi insulated siya and then may zipper. Yan, that's the green. And then there's also parang lavender. This one. Ang cute. Later, I'll show you kung ano yung itsura niya inside. And then, we have also tong stripes. Ito daw yung best seller nila dito. Tong dalawang stripes, yung parating nauubos dito sa Houston. So, ito yung isang stripes, green and blue. Tapos, this is also embroidered. This one, it's embroidered. Trader Joe's. And ito yung pinaka, and then there's another one. I like this color combination. This is blue and pink yung zipper niya. I'll show you. Ito siya. Ano ba yan? Ayan. This one. This one. Napakagandang combination. And ito yung loob niya. Yan. Purple yung loob niya. Yan. Yung zipper niya is pink, tapos blue, and spacious. Insulated, insulated. Yan, insulated siya. So, very spacious. Malaki siya. For baonan, perfect lunch box. Pwede sa work, sa school. Very handy. Yan. And ito yung pinaka most popular. So, nag-travel pa kami sa Sugarland just to get these items kasi near sa ito, yung pink. This is the most popular. The pink stripes. So, yung loob niya, ito may zipper siya. I'll show you. Saan siya na? Pinagpapawisan na. Ito yung loob niya. Yan. So, I'll show you. Nakalagay dito. Yan. Trader Joe's Stripe Mini Insulated Bag. So, yan yung that it's original and we got it from Trader Joe's. Kami personally yung bumili nito. Ito yung sobrang spacious. Pwedeng-pwede sa baonan. Baonan talaga siya. And it's lightweight. Super beautiful colors. Good for work, for school. So, let me show you. Ito yung two most popular colors, always sold out. These two, both are embroidered. Yan, embroidery yan. Let me show you. Yan, embroidered yan. And this one also, this is embroidered. Yan siya, yan dalawa. And then, yan yung two most popular, etong stripes. The other four, this color, I love this color. So, eto, yan, may Trader Joe's. Yan, yung palm trees, yung shop ng Trader Joe's, ganyan. So, yan. And matibay siya. Ito yung color combination. Blue, pink, and purple. And this is the other one. Let us see kung ano yung loob niya. I'll show you. So one woman show to, kaya pagpasensyahan nyo na kasi walang lahat ang humahawak. Ito, purple siya. Maganda. Parang ube. Lighter ube color. So cute. So this will be arriving in Dubai on June 4. Tomorrow na yung flight ko to Dubai. And this is the two that is always available. Parang tang color, no? Di po siya sponsored ng tang. Sorry. Ayan. This two. The green and the orange. This is available near sa amin. Meron pa rin sila near sa amin. So, ito, yung dalawa. So, let's see kung ano yung loob nitong tang color. Itong orange. Grabe, pinagpapawisan na ako. Ang init. Pero maganda kasi dahil mahangin. At ang ganda ng background ko. Pero tagaktak na din yung pawis ko. So, just bear with me to show you. Kasi, hindi pa high-tech yung pang video ko. Oh, it's nice. It's green. So, itong orange, green yung loob niya. Yan. Ganda. I love it. I love all the colors. It's so vibrant. And then, let's see naman tong green. Blue yung zipper niya. So, this insulated, mini insulated bags are arriving in Dubai on June 4. Oh, this is also cute. I love this color as well. Parang Tiffany. Green and Tiffany and blue. Lovely. So beautiful. So let me know which color you like. This is blue, purple or ube, and pink. So beautiful. All insulated mini bags on hand. This is purple, pink, and purple inside as well. And then, of course, the two popular stripe na embroidered, si Trader Joe's, yan. Ito yung dalawa. Yan sila. So, same color inside. And also, let's see the blue one. It's also, I think, blue, yes. So, meron pa siyang Japanese paper. So, blue and pink. So, yan lahat ng insulated bags na available. So, just send me a message. And it will be, all of this will be in Dubai on June 4. So, and of course, before matapos ang aking video, I'll show you again the past mini tote bags na super hirap makuha. At available din po ito sa amin. Available din siya. So these are the 4 mini tote bags. Pastel colors. So beautiful colors. So we have the ube, the purple. Ayan. It's all original. Kamit po ang bumili nito from Trader Joe's. Ayan. That's the purple. And then, lahat ito na, we have stocks of this one. This is the blue one. That's the blue one. Both sides embroidered. Wala pong zipper ang original, okay? And then, this is the green. Yan po yung green. Green and blue yung kanyang embroidery. Blue yung embroidery. And then si blue, green ang embroidery ni blue. And then si purple, pink naman ang embroidery ni purple. Yan. Both sides may embroidery. And etong pink, which is my most favorite, is purple naman ang embroidery. Yan. So, pwede naman siyang ganito. Pwede naman. Kaya naman. Ganyan siya. So, kung gusto nyong ganito, Ito, feeling ko talaga super, super useful. At malaki, spacious yung loob niya. Super spacious. Ayan. Ayan. Ang spacious. So, all of these are available coming to Dubai this June 4. So we have the mini insulated bags and the mini tote bags. So mini insulated bags and the mini tote bags. Ayan po silang lahat. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. And if just comment down below if you want to grab one of this, if you are living in Dubai, and if you want to order these items, let me know. Just send a comment in this YouTube channel, and I'll reply to you as soon as possible if you are living in Dubai. Okay? Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Bye.